Tesla's recent stock breakout performance is proving some of its skeptics wrong. As of December last year, it was hovering above $600, and by January this year, Tesla stock 2021 is currently above $800 with more room for growth. Tesla's market capitalization had reached $752 billion and has surged past Volkswagen, the giant German automaker, and its main rival Toyota to become the world's most valuable auto company. Tesla's valuation now exceeds that of Ford, GM, and Toyota combined. The Wall Street doubters may be in shock, but I'm not. Full disclosure, I don't own Tesla stock and not planning to buy one in the next 72 hours. But this evaluation is based on my experience as a software and technology enthusiast, one that has made me believe that the company's innovative business model represents an existential threat to the auto industry as a whole. How so? The answer lies in Tesla's software unfair advantage. Marc Andreessen, co-founder and general partner of venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz, wrote in his memorable 2011 essay that software is eating the world. And software is a big part of Tesla's advantage. Hi. Welcome to another episode of Tech Quadrangle TV. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more content like this. In my view, traditional automakers are ill-prepared to compete in today's software-centered world. Unlike nimble Tesla, they are big, bureaucratic, slow to respond to customers, dependent on providing customer financing for unit sales growth, and culturally different from a software company, and they know it. Recently, the chairman of Volkswagen, Dr. Herbert Diess, still reeling from its auto emission scandal, declared Tesla a serious competitor. The biggest challenge VW and other leading automakers face is that they lack the expertise required to compete in the age of the software car. Tesla's flamboyant and sometimes erratic innovator, Elon Musk, has turned the more than a century-old industry upside down in a mere 16 years. How could the disruption have happened so quickly? The answer begins by looking at how the world's traditional auto leaders got where they are today. What started as a fragmented market of some 200 car makers in the early 1920s gradually consolidated into a few behemoths who erected enormous capital-intensive barriers to entry that they assumed to be unassailable. Tesla's innovation speed in the market for high-end vehicles is more like a Google or Microsoft than an automaker. And its soaring market valuation is a clear sign to all automakers that they'll need to develop more innovative Tesla-like business models in order to survive. As I see it, Tesla currently does at least 4 things better than all the automakers. 1. It develops cars as it would a software product. Tesla builds cars by developing software on unique hardware, much in the way Apple develops the iPhone or Microsoft leverages Intel chips and Dell PCs. This enables the company to improve its car's software functionality every few weeks. This is in sharp contrast to the traditional auto industry model, where the product is the same for as long as you drive it. With fewer parts, the total cost of Tesla ownership is significantly lower than an internal combustion vehicle. There's no need for expensive oil changes, tune-ups, replacing mufflers, and the like. The automakers who derive significant profitability from their service businesses know this. 2. It simplifies the buying process, putting the consumer in control. Tesla doesn't advertise in the Sunday newspaper or put ads on the radio. Instead, it uses the classic software inbound sales model. They know consumers are smart and will find them. They understand the buyer's journey very well. Buying a Tesla is relatively simple. You go online, pick a model, add your features, place your deposit, and schedule pickup. Done. The last time I bought a car from a well-known Japanese automaker, the buying process was miserable from start to finish. I had to talk to a sales rep who would not give me a straight price and kept scurrying back to a manager who wrote down successive new numbers before we came to a deal. When I picked up the car, the salesperson begged me to give him a 10 on their promoter score survey so he could get his bonus. I much prefer controlling the experience myself. 3. It leverages its prowess in battery technology to minimize the total cost of ownership over the vehicle's lifetime. Tesla's battery-powered vehicles are significantly simpler than their internal combustion competitors. By some estimates, they have significantly fewer parts per vehicle, around 20 versus the 2,000 in internal combustion engines. This simplicity dramatically reduces the consumer's total cost of ownership. Tesla has recently acquired battery manufacturing companies and will incorporate new kinds of battery-related technologies into its vehicles, which could further reduce the cost of ownership. While other automakers are also rushing to acquire the right electric battery expertise, they will still be playing catch-up as this market grows. On their Battery Day held in September last year, Tesla unveiled plans on their tabless battery development that would improve their electric cars' range and power. The company will produce its new batteries in-house, which Tesla CEO Elon Musk predicts will help dramatically reduce costs and allow the company to eventually sell electric vehicles for the same price as gasoline-powered ones. The battery is expected to lower Tesla's cost per kilowatt-hour, the unit of energy most commonly used to measure the capacity of the battery packs in modern electric vehicles. Many experts believe that lowering these costs would allow Tesla to dramatically lower the price of its cars, thereby making them far more accessible. Musk said Tesla achieved this breakthrough by removing the tab, a part of the battery that forms a connection between the cell and what it is powering. These new tabless cells, which Tesla is calling 4860 cells, will give the company's EV batteries 5 times more energy capacity, make them 6 times more powerful, and enable a 16% range increase for Tesla's vehicles. 4. It attaches itself to the predominant market trend of the day, going green to reduce global warming. Finally, from a marketing point of view, Tesla already has a big advantage in some categories. Who wouldn't want to own a car that creates no pollution, eliminates visits to gas stations, and is truly green? Other automakers are going to be playing catch-up on this issue for a long time. Given this situation, what do you think the traditional car makers will do? Also, what are your predictions for Tesla's stock in 2021? Do let me know in the comments below. I for sure knows that they will be offering a growing range of electric vehicles in 2021 and beyond, but they aren't necessarily software cars. They are often the cars you're used to, fitted with electric motors. To be sure, there are security risks with software cars, as with any kind of connectivity. But Tesla could expand its leadership role by modeling how to manage those risks effectively. Traditional automakers must now imagine how to become software companies, which, given how far behind they are, means they will have to do what legacy software companies do when startups disrupt their core markets: they buy competitors to consolidate the market. We should watch for this activity because it is likely about to start in earnest. And that's it for today's episode. What do you think of Tesla's current lead in the EV market and stock performance? Do let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And lastly, our channel launch giveaway is still on. Stand a chance of winning brand new Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so you will be notified once we post fresh content. Watch the whole video and most importantly comment meaningfully. It's that simple. And as always, whatever you're up to in the next hour ahead, do it with passion or not at all. Thanks for watching.